After 6 days of searching for a missing teenager with autism, his father says he was found dead.
16-year-old Dominic Walker disappeared early Saturday morning from his father's house in Decatur. WCIA3's Emily Braun is live in Decatur now at Fairview Park. Emily, that's where a body was found?
Christy, right out of this lake, authorities found a body, and Walker's family says it was him. Now, this is just about a mile away from where Walker was last seen, and later on this morning, we are expected to learn from police and the coroner's office what the family says they already know. Walker is a student at Mattoon High School, and the school district posted to their Facebook page saying that they would have counselors, clergy, and social workers available today for any students or staff who need some extra help coping. Stay with us as we switch to WCIX. We will share updates as soon as we receive them. Live in Decatur, Emily Braun, WCIA3, your local news leader.
This morning, starting off with a few clouds around, also noticing more that warm air mass with temperatures right now sitting in the 60s, near 70 for a lot of us too. Clouds will break apart, especially for those of us southward, with a lot of sunshine and a lot of heat and a bit more of that humidity on the way. Storm chances should be limited. Now, looking outside here in Champaign, we're noticing some of that sun making its way down to the surface. Should be a pretty nice day. Roofing Dog Inet Brancher Skycam starting off dry this morning. Mid 60s in Champaign, sitting at 66 in Springfield with the showers. Beginning to break down, well, actually farther to the north, but there is another wave that will track across the northern part of the state and may extend a little farther south to maybe impact some of the same spots that got hit yesterday. I think this will be more of a northern track for those storms today, so I'm not expecting as high of a chance, but still, nevertheless, you're going to want to keep your eye and your ear out on things in case something does happen. Tonight, though, we should stay dry, mainly clear too. Better chances of storms coming into the day for tomorrow. One last look at the small chance of severe weather that we have around. That will be mainly for northern half of Livingston, Ford, and Iroquois County. If that happens, of course, you can always get the information on the WCI3 weather app. Download it, it's free. Christy, Aaron.
Thanks, Adam. People across central Illinois are waking up to some storm damage this morning, including many of you in Vermilion County.
OSF Medical Center's emergency room was flooded and water was backed up into the basement. They had to transfer patients to other parts of the hospital. They spent the day pumping out the water. Golf ball and baseball-sized hail rained down, denting houses, cars, and shattering windshields. Our crew drove by a car dealership in Tilton. Their entire lot has damage of more than $4 million.
This is just, a little bit of devastation feeling. I've lost a son. I've had deaths in families that have outweighed any, obviously, thing like this. So, I can deal with it. But, yeah, we're just going to go through it and breathe in and out and revive.
People we talked with said the first thing they're doing is calling insurance adjusters to figure out what this is going to cost them.
Students at Danville schools were moved to safety during that weather. The district started its emergency procedures during the tornado warning. Transportation for Northridge and Southview was suspended. Buses on their way were sent to the closest school for shelter. The buses resumed service after the warning ended.
New this morning, the man accused of shooting a Champaign teenager last fall pleaded not guilty in court. 19-year-old Darian White is accused of shooting 16-year-old David Sankey last August. It happened near Paula Drive in Larkspur Lane. When police got there, they found Sankey shot in the street. He was taken to the hospital where he later died. White is due in court again on July 2nd.
Champaign police say a juvenile arrest warrant has been issued for a teenager who was involved in the shooting death of a 14-year-old. They say that 15-year-old may have accidentally fired a gun that killed Elijah Booker on Saturday. A 17-year-old was also shot but is expected to be okay. Police say the 15-year-old has not been cooperating with the investigation.
New this morning, two Decatur men have pleaded not guilty to a double shooting last month. Tyrone Ricks and Jamal Jackson were accused of driving up to two men and shooting them in their car on South Jackson Street. Those men were taken to the hospital and later identified Ricks and Jackson as the people involved. Yesterday, both Ricks and Jackson denied attempted murder charges in Macon County Court. Pre-trial dates have been set for June.
No one was hurt during a fire in Sedoris. It happened near the corner of South Market Street and West River Road. Fire crews say the woman who reported the fire was already outside the house when she called. 5 departments were there because of the home's rural location, and crews told us they wanted to make sure they had enough water available.
Leaders continue to call for more money for projects to be included in the Capitol bill. Build Up Illinois is calling for lawmakers to include money for community health centers as they consider passing a bill to fund infrastructure. Healthcare leaders say providers serving communities with health and income disparities need lawmakers and the governor to support them financially. The Illinois Primary Healthcare Association is asking for $125 million to upgrade current buildings and build new sites. Safety net hospitals provide care for people regardless of their ability to pay, and leaders say those facilities could really use the money.
But our safety net hospitals and our community health centers across the state do not have the resources to make capital improvements to transform our delivery systems to address the breadth of healthcare needs that exist today.
Safety net hospitals in central Illinois include the Pavilion in Champaign and the Lincoln Prairie Behavioral Health Center in Springfield. Healthcare advocates say the facilities like these are transforming their system to better serve everyone in the state.
New this morning, today police officers all across the country are raising money for the Special Olympics. It's the 17th annual Cup on a Rooftop event at Dunkin' Donuts. Today until noon, officers across the state will hang out at 316 participating locations. During the fundraiser, they'll collect money for the annual torch run to benefit the Special Olympics. Organizers are aiming to surpass last year's grand total of $871,000.
That will wrap up the morning show on WCIA 3, but coming up when we make the switch to WCIX for the 7 and 8 o'clock hours of the morning show.
The return of a big screen action hero and an offbeat biopic are on area screens this weekend. Film critics Chuck Kopinski and Pam Powell tell us about John Wick 3 and Wild Nights with Emily in Friday Flicks.
But before that, let's get one last check of our 7-day forecast.
Those storm chances are going to pick up as we go later on into, I would say, late tomorrow and more so into tomorrow night, and then heading into Sunday too, where we're going to notice a lot of those storms still around as we head into next Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, or at least the chances. Pretty hot and humid today. We'll keep an eye out for those of us farther north of I-74. Could see just a few more of those to come.
Happy Friday, everyone. Whoa.
Wow,
That was
wow.
awful.